Hey, have you been looking to get results with solo ad traffic, but just not know how to do it? And you may need some extra support. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I am a top marketer first, and I also sell traffic. I've been online for about 8 years now. And it took me a while to actually get results. It took me about 6 years to actually get results before I became a top producer. And my first, traffic strategy was solo ads, and I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to get results with it. I was just sending traffic to funnels, and I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to track my stats. I didn't know any of that stuff, right? I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and I was told to go and send traffic to a funnel, and I thought that I would get all these results. Now, I made sales here and there, but it wasn't until I actually got coaching that I actually turned everything around, because I was in college at the time and I was putting my traffic orders on a credit card, and it landed me $87,000 in debt. And I had to learn, marketing, and I had to get coaching, and I needed extra support. And when that happened, that's when I became a top producer. So I'm doing this video now so that you understand that there's marketing strategies that you can use, that you can learn how to market online, exactly what to do every single day, and not get confused, not have somebody that's going to just keep selling you on different things, right? And that's my intention with these videos. So if you're watching any of my videos, just understand that my goal is to help you to get results, right? Regardless if you buy anything from me or not, right? I want you to get results from my videos, right? So in this video, I'm going to go over what Udimi is, and I'm also going to go over another traffic source that you can actually use to get the best results possible, right? So if you've been looking for that extra support, you came to the right place. So basically, Udimi is a platform that you could go to actually find people who sell traffic. Now, just keep in mind that not all solo ad vendors are marketers, but some marketers sell traffic, meaning that not everybody that sells traffic to you and people that hop in your inbox, they may not necessarily be marketers. They might not have opportunities that they promote themselves. They may only sell traffic, which isn't really, it's not really related to marketing, right? If somebody just sells traffic, that doesn't mean they actually do marketing in the trenches. So keep that in mind when you go and buy traffic. Now, if you're looking at this page, is what you want to do when you come onto Udimi is actually make sure that the sales are at 50%, and then you look at the stats. So you look at the orders, and then you look at the sales, right? And the orders and the sales are the people that you actually want to go with. So when you're taking a look at this stuff, here's what you want to keep in mind. And so the ones with the high sales are the ones that you would actually like to buy from, right? So high sales, high orders, a lot of reviews, things like that. And it's typically people that are on this first page. So that keeps it very, very simple for you and very, very easy for you to understand. My goal is to keep things very, very simple, right? And so, that's all good. You could go and you could, order traffic on here all day, and you could send them, pages in your funnels, in your links. The problem with, getting traffic from here is you're not going to get any feedback. So these people will never give you feedback on your marketing. So the goal is, whenever you're doing any kind of marketing, and you're spending money with somebody, you want to be able to give feedback, or I want to be able to give feedback to the people that are actually doing business with me, right? And I assume that you would want to get some feedback as well, right? But on this platform, you're really not allowed to talk about, marketing. It's a violation of, Udemy's terms of service, right? So you'll never really get feedback. They'll take whatever link you have and send traffic to anything, right? And so if you're looking for feedback, if you're looking for extra support, if you're looking for a coach and somebody who actually does, marketing, I'm an actual marketer, then come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. And when you come over here to, profitbuilderstraffic.com, understand that I will help you to, get results. I will help you to make sure that what you're doing is right. Everything is set up good for the best results possible, right? So my goal is to help you to understand that you need highly targeted, traffic to offers that you're promoting, and I want to make sure that your, landing page and sales copy are congruent with whatever you're selling, right? So your the page that they come on and you capture the lead, that should be the same as your sales page. It should be very congruent. It should match so that way people don't get confused, right? And then most importantly, you need high quality traffic from very good, traffic sources. And that's my goal for you. Is I don't want you to be ripped off. I don't want you to be scammed. I don't want you to get stuck in buying traffic and not really getting results, right? So a lot of people, they get obsessed with seeing that they have leads coming through their email, right? And they get like a rush to it. They're like, I'm getting leads, right? And getting leads is good. It's a good result to share with people on social media, things like that. But you actually want to get results. You actually want to make sales from those leads, right? Because if you're just spending money and you're not really making sales, then it's going to put you in a hole. And that's what I don't want from you. I want you to get results, right? So just understand that when you get, traffic from me, you're getting, traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're going to get a mix of different, traffic when you order, traffic from me. And then I will help you to set up and manage your funnel. I will help you to get the highest conversions possible, up to 85% opt-in rate. Now, if you look below on this page, my first testimonial on this page, it's 90% opt-in rate with sales. So the highest opt-in rate that I've got people is 90% as of now, which is unheard of in the solo ad space. So just know that if you have the right support, you can get some crazy good results, right? So just know that and keep that in mind. And I want you to understand how to, track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important when you're running paid traffic. If you're not doing any kind of, tracking, then you're just, throwing money down the drain. And you don't want to do that. You want to actually know your stats. You want to know all your results. You want to know if a traffic run is good, if it's bad, if you should keep it going, or whatever. But, if you're getting good results and you're getting engagement and you're actually, getting that stuff, then you're able to scale up. And that's the goal. The goal is to be able to scale up, with your, traffic orders, right? And then you want to build a list of highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And that's my goal. I want to be able to help you to do that, right? So how this all works is in, 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a, traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the package that works best for you. And then, step 2 is we do your campaign review, and I will help you to, get those results. Step 3 is we launch within, 3 days or less. So typically within 72 hours or less, depending on when you book the coaching call. Now, here's some of my testimonials right here. So take a look at those for yourself. I got a lot of them. And I'm doing a Black Friday sale till the end of the month right now. So it's going right now. So all my packages are discounted. So today's a good day to get, traffic from me, because you get that discount. See, so here's the discounted prices. And here's some of the, questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, chances are answers to your questions are going to be down here. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks. And I guarantee you 100% satisfaction. So if you have any issues with your order whatsoever, if you're having issues as far as leads, or if you're having any kind of issues with your setup, I'm happy to help you with that. And if you have issues with your order, I will be happy to actually help you or compensate you in traffic. The thing that I don't do is I don't issue refunds. So just keep that in mind when you order from me, that all orders are final. And I do that because it is paid traffic, and I like to keep my merchant accounts in good standing, right? But I will help you as much as I can, and I will make sure that you're satisfied, right? And if you have any questions, you could reach out down here, and I'll be happy to get back to you, or you could send me a message on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I'm happy to actually help you. So if you have any questions, reach out to me on Facebook or send me a message below, and I will respond to your email as quick as I can. If you want to actually subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see the videos that I upload and keep up to date with the content that I put on here, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description for that as well. And make sure you click on the link below this video to bring you to this traffic page so you can place your order today. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.